Okay, now today we are going to read lesson The Old Clock Shop. Now Anushka, start reading.
Chapter 4, The Old Clock Shop. Christmas Eve had arrived. As last minute shoppers were going home, a thick white sheet of snow lay over Salt Lake City, USA. Yet the lights were still burning in the old clock shop as its old deaf owner worked on a clock he had sold that day.
Okay, very good. Today we are going to read The Old Clock Shop, and here we are going to read about Mr. Ray, who is the owner of the old clock shop. And now with the help of this lesson, we come to know that why this lesson is very important. What is the meaning of the old clock shop? What the old clock shop symbolizes? Okay, now, Christopher, after that read.
Yeah, ma'am. Having finished his work, Ray stood up and was on his way to the bathroom when a cold rush of air from the front door hit the back of his neck.
Okay, read Christopher.
He turned to meet last-minute supper, but his old wise eyes told him that this was not a supper. He saw two men, one in his 20s, the other closer to 50. The younger man remained at the door. The older man approached the counter with no sign of friendliness or in his eyes. Ray was able to hide his growing fear as he slowly pushed a notepad and a pencil across the counter.
Okay, now very good. Now what happened? Two shoppers came. It's time to arrive from here. It's time to go. And then what happened? Two shoppers came here. Okay, and they wanted to buy something. What they wanted? They wanted to buy something. But the Ray was very intelligent. He understood that they are not shopper. They didn't come to buy something. And according to Mr. Ray's eye, he thought that they wanted to loot his shop. They are in need. And here it is given that Ray's eyes is very clever personality. Okay, now after that, who wanted to read? I have to look. Next, Akriti Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Akriti, do fast.
He smiled at the unhidden face and pointed to his ears and shook and his head from side to side. A quick look of surprise and changed the man's face
Okay, now what happened here? It is given that. Okay, read fast.
the man's face and studied noted then there is something to his friend.
Okay, now listen. Here it is given that they are not looking like familiar. They are looking not friendly. They are looking unfriendly. Their face is looking that unfriendly faces. Okay. Then Mr. Ray was in suspicion that why they came at that very moment, at that very time. Okay, now next. So many hands. Okay, then I am giving chance those who have not written yesterday. Harshit, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. Rays used the tin to look at the man paying attention to the shape of a gun and a restless hand in the man's right coat pocket. Anger boiled within him, but it was kept down by an inner voice that said, "Be still." He wrote on the notepad, "May I help you?" For the first time, the older man looked directly at Ray and smiled. A cool, mocking smile. They both understood why he was there, why his friend remained at the door. They
Okay.
looked at
Okay,
men
Harshit.
who were down
Stop,
on their luck
Harshit.
and were now
Harshit,
ready to
stop now.
try.
Listen.
Yes,
Listen.
ma'am.
Here it is given that the younger boy was standing near the front gate and the older entered, and they are not looking unfriendly, they are looking unfriendly. Then what happened? Mr. Ray thought that I have to help, and on the note paper he had written, "May I help you?" and he passed the paper. It means here it is clear that Mr. Ray was dumb. ओके, हम लोग यहाँ क्या जानेंगे? मिस्टर रे जो थे वो गूंगे थे। दुकान में देखो, दी ओल्ड क्लॉक शॉप यहाँ पे हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। इसमें क्या है? मिस्टर रे उसके ऑनर है दुकान के। उनकी दुकान में दो व्यक्ति आता है जब दुकान बंद करने का समय है। ये क्रिसमस इवनिंग है, ताकि क्रिसमस इवनिंग को हर एक को एंजॉय करते हैं। दुकानदार भी अपने दुकानों को बंद करके अपने घरों में एंजॉय करते हैं, लेकिन मिस्टर रे ने अभी भी दुकान खुली रखी है। अब क्यों रखी है वो बाद में पता चलेगा। दो व्यक्ति उसके दुकान में आते हैं और मिस्टर रे की आंखों को यहाँ बोला गया है चालाक आँख। मिस्टर रे पहचान लेते हैं कि ये जो दोनों व्यक्ति खरीदने नहीं आया है, इनके पास पैसे नहीं हैं, ये लोग ज़रूर कुछ आज बदमाशी करेंगे। लेकिन मिस्टर रे ने क्या किया? एक नोट पेपर पे लिख डाला पेंसिल से, "मे आई हेल्प यू", और सामने वाला का चेहरा खिल उठा और फिर वह अपने जो दोस्त जो फ्रंट ग्रेड पे है उसको भी इशारा करता है कि ये हमारी मदद करने के लिए तैयार है। और यहाँ पर हमें ये पता चलता है कि मिस्टर रे जो है वो बोल नहीं सकते हैं, इसीलिए उन्होंने नोटपैड दिया, नहीं तो वो बोल भी सकते थे। ठीक है, ओके। नाउ नेक्स्ट आई एम गिविंग चांस whom सुकृत स्टार्ट रीडिंग। अभी सुकृत, हाँ सुकृत।
The clock ticked on. Ray calmly wrote another message. "Have you come to pick up a clock or watch?" Then he pointed to the lone board filled with hanging clocks and pocket watches. He was not a pawnbroker, but at the same time couldn't say no to the needy people who placed their old watches or clocks before him for anything they could get. He loaned more than he should. They would be there when the owners wanted them back at the same price he had paid with no interest.
Okay, now how many rupees he had given? Can you say? Read and do fast. Who will say? Do fast.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, speak.
Can I speak?
Yes, speak.
$50.
Yes, $50. Very good. Now, what happened? Here it is given that the Ray was not a pawnbroker. Ray was not a pawnbroker. Okay. What is the meaning of pawnbroker? Can anyone tell? What is the meaning of pawnbroker? Now listen, it means those who are giving money. Okay, here it is given that Mr. Ray was not a pawnbroker. ऐसा नहीं था कि मिस्टर रे उधार देते थे या सूद पे पैसा। यस, स्पीक। Now what happened here, it is given that if I am giving you 10 rupees and I am telling you, listen, you have to give me after 1 month. If you have not given me, then you have to pay more 5 rupees. This type of man is called pawnbroker. And there is also thing, here it is that not given that he is taking the old things and he is paying money. That type of personality he is not. But what happened, he thought I have to help, and the needy man given him an old watch, okay, and said that what you could give me for this. Then Mr. Ray has given $50. आप देखिए क्या है, वो जो नीडी पर्सनालिटी है उससे उसने पूछा कि बताओ मैं तुम्हारी कैसे मदद करूं, तो उसने अपने पॉकेट से एक वॉच निकाला और दिया। ये वॉच, दिस वॉच इज़ वेरी ओल्ड, ये बहुत पुराना था। इट्स प्राइस इज़ नॉट एज मच, बट मिस्टर रे हैज़ गिवन हिम द प्राइस बिकॉज टुडे इज़ Christmas evening and everyone wanted to celebrate this with pomp, joy and happiness. Okay, now next I am giving chance Suhani.
Yes, ma'am. Then the older man seemed to feel a little easier, took out his hand from his pocket and quickly looked at the watch on his wrist. How much will you give me for this? The man wrote.
Okay, now I have already told you that he has taken out a watch and said that what is the price you wanted to give me. Here it is clear. Now next, is there anyone, जितने लोग भी हाथ उठाए हो, कल इनमें से कोई ऐसा था कि कल नहीं पढ़ा था और आज नहीं पढ़ पाए हो? Is there anyone?
Yes, ma'am. Priyanshu. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Anushka Gupta.
Okay, Priyanshu और
Anushka Gupta.
Priyanshu और कौन? अनुष्का गुप्ता. Okay. Then I am giving chance
Ma'am,
to
Anushka
first
Gupta.
Anushka Gupta and after that Priyanshu. Okay, Anushka read.
Yes, ma'am. Ray noticed a little shame in the grey eyes looking at him. The watch was nothing special, yet had great powers. It was something to exchange, a way out of a bad situation. Knowing that great need had brought the man to his shop in the first place, Ray asked, "Do you need for it?" The reply, "Come back on the notepad, whatever it's worth."
Okay, now here it is given
Okay,
that
ma'am.
these two people are also in suspicion. They are thinking that he will help me or not, what will happen, and then they understood that he wanted to help. Then both started to talk to each other that this personality wanted to help. Okay, now next Priyanshu.
Yes, Teji. Ray reached into his case box, pulled out a $50 note, passed it into the man's hand. As they shook hands, Ray looked into the man. They seemed to say, "हो गया दीजिए."
Okay, now once again Priyanshu read this. I have not heard. एक बार फिर से पढ़ो. प्रियांशु एक बार फिर से पढ़िए.
Ray reached into his case box, pulled out a $50 note, passed it into the man's hand. As they shook hands, Ray looked into the man's eyes.
Okay, now what happened? Ray went and he has taken $50 from his box and he has given this man because Ray thought that they are in need. Okay, now next. Is there anyone left? और भी कोई बचा है कल और आज नहीं पढ़ पाए हो? Who is?
I did not get
Shreya
chance.
Mishra कल नहीं पढ़ी थी.
Ma'am, I am also not get chance.
Shreya Mishra, yesterday you have not read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so I am telling that yesterday and today, both, those who have read, then okay. Okay. Aishwarya,
Ma'am,
you
I
have read
did.
yesterday? Aishwarya, you have read yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then is
Yes, ma'am. कल पढ़े थे.
okay, there is no one in left way, those who have
मैम
raised
हम भी
hand.
कल पढ़े थे.
Okay, now I am
मैम कल हम नहीं पढ़े थे.
I am giving chance every. Is there anyone, अगर कोई बच्चे थे कि कल और आज नहीं पढ़े हो तो वो अपना नाम बताओ. डू फास्ट और हाथ उठाए हो तब.
Yes, ma'am.
कौन? ऐश्वर्या ने पढ़ी थी? कौन नहीं पढ़ी थी? अच्छा चलो ऐश्वर्या को चांस देते. ओके ऐश्वर्या रीड एंड आफ्टर दैट श्रेया मिश्रा. चलो.
The little story ended on the half hour which the clock string all together. The timepieces, which had been looking on silently all the while, ran out the time with such feeling that even Ray thought he could hear them. Their sweet musical message was filled with hope, the timeless message of peace on earth, goodwill towards all, was felt by the three men who stood in the old clock shop.
Okay, the lesson is completed or something left? ऐश्वर्या कुछ बचा भी है उसमें?
No, ma'am.
ओके श्रेया, सेम अभी जो बहन बोल रही थी हम नहीं पढ़े हैं, पढ़ लीजिए इस सेम को, जो ऐश्वर्या पढ़ी उसी को पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
समझा देंगे.
The little story ended on the half hour with the clocks striking all together the timepieces which had been looking on silently all the while rang out the time with such feeling that even Ray thought he could hear them. Their sweet musical message was filled with hope, the timeless message of peace on earth, goodwill towards all, was filled by the three men who stood in the old clock shop.
Okay, now very good you two. Everyone read, very good. Now listen, here it is given that the lesson, I have told you that at last I will tell you what is the, why this name is given to the lesson, why the title is the old clock shop. Why the title is old clock shop? Because with the help of this title we get message. What message we are getting? Peace. Message of peace
Peace on earth.
and love. Okay. Now listen. Here it is given that I have told you that at last we come to the conclusion why the name is given here, the old clock shop. Why? Because here we are getting that the name is given because there is a message of love and peace. We have to live in this world with love and peace, and this is the Christmas evening. Why Christmas is celebrated? Christmas is celebrated by Christians, and today some people, we like people also celebrate because Christmas gives us message of love and message of peace. And here it is given with the help of character Mr. Ray, that how Mr. Ray was scouting in a bad situation, but he overcome this situation and he helped the people. And today not only crime happened, but also he saved his life, because Mr. Ray's eyes are very intelligent. At last here it is given that Mr. Ray survived and he has given prize, but this watch didn't deserve that kind of prize, but he has given this. Why? Because he knew that they are in need. If I am not helping them, then what happened? they started to loot, and when they are looting, then what will happen? They will also murder others. And now with the help of Mr. Ray, these two criminals changed, and they promised, then I will come back and I will pay your loan and I will take my watch. ओके, अब देखिए इसमें कहानी क्या है कि दो व्यक्ति, बहुत वेरी स्मॉल स्टोरी, दो व्यक्ति जो है मिस्टर रे की दुकान में आते हैं और उनका मकसद था चोरी करना, कि यहाँ ये अकेला दुकान है, सुनसान दुकान है, क्योंकि सभी लोग तो दुकान बंद करके चले गए थे, केवल मिस्टर रे ही थे। उनका मकसद था जो भी पैसा उसे ले लेंगे, वो लोग लूटने आए थे। लेकिन मिस्टर रे क्या है, होशियार थे, उनकी आंखों ने, बुजुर्ग आंखों ने पहचान लिया ये लोग ज़रूर कुछ मिसफॉर्चून करेंगे, और उन्होंने क्या किया, उनको कहा कि अगर आप ज़रूरतमंद हैं, अगर आपको ज़रूरत है तो आप बताइए, मैं आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ। और उन्होंने क्या किया, नोटपैड पे लिखा, यहाँ देखिए हम लोग बोलने वाले लोग हैं तब गलती कर देते हैं, और वो डंप थे, वो बोल नहीं सकते थे, फिर भी उन्होंने होशियारी किया और उसके वॉच को ले लिया और उसकी कीमत दे दी, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा कीमत दी, क्योंकि उनको मालूम चल गया कि अगर आज हम इसको नहीं देंगे, ठीक है। अब मिस्टर रे जो है क्या कहते हैं, हियर इट इज़ गिवन दैट ही हैज़ गिवन अ मैसेज, इसीलिए इफ वी आर इन ट्रबल, अगर हम ट्रबल में आ जाए तो हमें अपने दिमाग से काम लेना चाहिए। सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस स्टोरी वी गेट नॉलेज, if we are in trouble then we have to play with our mind how to solve the situation, how to overcome from the problem. Understood everyone? If you are not able to understand then you may ask question. अगर आप लोग नहीं समझे हैं तो question पूछ सकते हैं।
No, ma'am.
Okay, everyone understood? Okay, now time is okay, very good. I am looking those who have attended classes, 28 students, but today at last our 24, Priyanshu, Christopher, Aishwarya, Suhani, Pratyush, Divyansh, Utkarsh, Ayushi, Anushka Bharti, Anushka Gupta, अपूर्व कृष्णा, आयुष कुमार, धनश्री, हर्षित, खुशी प्रिया, कृष्णा कुमार साहा, कुमार पार्थ, पी भव्या, प्रियंका कुमारी, राज
कृष्ण कहाँ से कहाँ तक पढ़ेंगे?
श्रेया मिश्रा, जस्ट वेट, सुनीता मिसल, तन्मय, क्लास 6C। आई विल टेल यू, बता देंगे जब क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे तो। ओके, नाउ लिसन केयरफुली।
मैम 7 तारीख से स्कूल खुलेगा।
फर्स्ट लिसन, नो, तुम लोगों का 16 से।
मैम when school is open?
On 16, class 1 to 8. Now listen everyone. Today I am sending you question answer of the old clock shop. And listen, if those who want to participate in English quiz, they have to prepare class 6, 7, 8 syllabus, okay? Only books and grammar book. You have to prepare. On 9th I will take your exam, and those who will be selected 1, 2 and 3, then I will give them chance. Okay, thank you.
मैम ये क्विज में लगते हैं ना, तो क्विज में नहीं ना दे सकते?
नहीं, एग्जाम्स क्विज में पार्टिसिपेट सब कोई करोगे, ठीक है, लेकिन जो जैसे तुम अदर क्विज में ले लिए हो साइंस में, तो तुम्हारे अलावे किसी स्टूडेंट को हम लेंगे, ठीक है। उसकी जानकारी हमको होनी चाहिए कि हम इस क्विज में हैं, लेकिन हम एग्ज़ाम, एवरीवन हैज़ टू फेस एग्ज़ाम सबको देना है, लेकिन 3 बच्चा को सेलेक्ट करेंगे। तुम पहले ही बता चुके हो साइंस में है, तो तुम्हारे अलावा सेलेक्ट होगा, ठीक है। ओके, थैंक यू।
मैम when school will open?
16 on 16th.